The governor says we are now at a tough point in our war against COVID-19. He also says he wants to focus on the state's unemployment issues. Victor Puente breaks down the governor's Friday briefing.
Governor Beshear started today's briefing by denouncing the violence in Washington and those responsible.
We are all responsible for our words. You cannot fan the flames and condemn the fire.
He moved on to report 4,750 new coronavirus cases and 13 deaths. That's more than 15,000 new cases over the last 3 days.
The White House is now telling us that the acceleration we are seeing across the country may well be a U.S. variant that has evolved, somewhat like the one that you are hearing about in the UK, which may be 50% more transmissible.
He said there was some good news when it came to Kentucky.
In one of the most unhealthy states in the country, we're 41st in new deaths. In new deaths. That's not just overall. This is how well we are taking care of our people.
They're working to expand vaccinations beyond the initial group of healthcare workers and those over 70. They're also talking about the need to resolve tens of thousands of unemployment claims. Of the almost 1.5 million claims since the pandemic started, about 90,000 have unresolved issues. They believe almost 60,000 of those are fraudulent. The governor's proposed budget includes direct payments to almost 24,000 people who've been waiting for a claim to go through.
But for those of you who are real living and breathing people and who are waiting for an answer, that means that you need some help. So the governor has authorized a $1,000 payment to each of you.
Victor Puente for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
Governor Beshear says it is their goal to have 90% of all doses of the vaccine administered within 7 days of arriving in the state.